Hey everyone, good day to all. When we think of air pollution, one thing that immediately comes to mind is pollution from fossil fuels. But what exactly are fossil fuels? Fossil fuels are non-renewable energy sources that are formed from the remains of plants and animals that died millions of years ago. They include oil, coal, and natural gas. These fuels are created when the remains of prehistoric plants and animals are buried under layers of rock and subjected to intense heat and pressure over millions of years. But it's not just fossil fuels that contribute to air pollution. Vehicular emissions also play a major role, especially in urban areas. In fact, vehicle emissions contribute 20 to 30% of the particulate matter, PM 2.5, which affects the quality of the air we breathe. The impact of air pollution is alarming. In India alone, average annual particulate pollution has increased by a staggering 67.7% from 1998 to 2021. This has further reduced the average life expectancy by 2.3 years. Shockingly, some studies estimate that at least 9 million people die every year from the air they breathe. To put it into perspective, this death toll is similar to the number of deaths caused by smoking, which is around 8 million. Air pollution has become the second leading risk factor for death globally, including for children under 5 years old. And looking ahead, researchers predict that by 2050, air pollution could cause an increase of 1,000 to 4,300 premature deaths annually in the United States. Additionally, between 5 to 13 million more people could be exposed to dangerously high levels of ozone in 2050. These statistics are concerning, but we believe there is a way to prevent this. It's crucial that we take steps to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and find cleaner and more sustainable energy sources. It's time to prioritize cleaner modes of transportation, such as electric vehicles, and invest in renewable energy technologies. By working together, we can create a healthier and cleaner future for ourselves and for future generations. Let's take action now to protect our air and prevent the devastating consequences of air pollution. Why not make hydrogen a fuel? By using hydrogen in vehicles, we can significantly minimize air pollution and reduce the harm caused by conventional fuels and fossil fuels. The reason hydrogen is a viable option is because it does not emit any pollutants into the air. However, it is important to handle hydrogen with care, as it is a highly combustible gas that can burn almost anything. Allow me to propose an idea that can not only decrease air pollution, but also enable people to travel in vehicles without financial burden. We can produce hydrogen very inexpensively and use it as fuel for vehicles. This can be achieved by extracting hydrogen from water, which consists of 2 hydrogen molecules and 1 oxygen molecule. By utilizing this process, we can also release oxygen into the atmosphere, or use both hydrogen and oxygen as fuel. As oxygen aids in combustion, hydrogen can be utilized in either liquid form or as a gas, similar to how a regular engine uses petroleum. However, it is essential to construct a hydrogen engine that is specifically designed to function with hydrogen as fuel. By making hydrogen readily available from water, even ordinary individuals can comfortably travel in vehicles without experiencing financial losses. It is worth noting that water is said to contain 11.1% hydrogen, so why not classify it and utilize it as a feasible fuel source for vehicles? By implementing this, we can contribute to the reduction of air pollution and significantly decrease economic losses. Looking to reduce air pollution? and travel cost-effectively? Consider using hydrogen as a fuel. With 21% of water consisting of hydrogen, it can be separated through electrolysis and used as a combustible element. Despite the potential for violent explosions, advancements in storage technology can make it a safe and efficient option for fuel. Switch to hydrogen and contribute to a cleaner and more cost-effective way of traveling.